Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can add an outline to the checkout button in your Wix.com website. So start off from the Wix dashboard here and then click on this edit site. It'll take you to this site here. Wait for it to load. After it's loaded in, go on the left side here on the page here, and then go onto here, the cart page right here. Cart page here looks like this. To note, if you don't have any products here, like for example, if I press preview and then I get rid of this product here, it'll show my cart is empty. If you want to make the menu appear here, go back to the shop section here, go back to shop, scroll down, add any products you want. I'm going to add this to cart. I'm going to view cart. And now the menu is here. Give it a second to load. There it is. Now the menu is here. Now you can start editing the checkout button. I'm gonna go back to editor here. Go back to editor. Scroll down. Click on the checkout button here. Go to settings. Wait for it to load. On settings, go to design. On design, scroll down until you see buttons. Right here, buttons. Now, the border with color here. Change it to something that's different from the main color of the button. So I'm going to change it to blue, so it's clear like that, blue. And if you want to change the thickness of it, drag this wheel up, make it thick. Or if you want to make it thin, drag this wheel down. Now it's just a very thin, subtle outline right there.